Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. This video I'll be unboxing this toy box for cats called CatBox. I have got other cat toy boxes in the past, but this is one I haven't seen before, so I decided to give it a try. They do have themes that change every month. So because it is March, it looks like the theme is going to be St. Patrick's Day. This looks like it might be a sticker. It looks like they sent us a little thing of cat food. I do not feed my cats Purina. I don't feed my cats brands like this, so I'll probably end up donating this to a shelter. And again, I don't use Friskies and Purina, so this will also end up being donated. But I guess they do send you treats and food. And it looks like we have this little guy. A little like flag. Another little stick, so it's on a string, so I'd have to untie this and it'd be like one of those little cat tasers. And mice. Cliff really likes these little mice, so I think Cliff will enjoy these. This is everything that came in this box, and I'm gonna go see what Noodle thinks, and we'll see what Cliff thinks of these toys. I'm going to start off with these mice because they seem to be my cat's favorite toys. I'm going to see what they think of this little thing now. This little thing I think is filled with catnip. Both my cats really like toys like this. So this kind of already broke, but I guess you could just stick the string back through and tie it up. So I just reknotted it, but I guess it's pretty easy for this to come undone. Overall, I found this box to be pretty good. They are one of those smaller businesses, so they're not as well known. They have different subscription options to choose from, so if you're interested in one of these boxes, you should check them out. It comes with a decent number of toys. My cats seem to really like them. Noodle's a little bit picky about toys. My only issue with the leprechaun toy is I'm not sure how durable that stick is and if it will splinter at all as the cats chew on it. It's also a really short stick, so if you try to wiggle it around for your cat and your cat gets very excited, it might end up scratching you too. It might be one of those toys I have to monitor my cats with, and I may also end up just removing that stick and letting them play with the little leprechaun on the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel out. And I hope I see you guys in the next video.